Welcome to 24th Jan 2023's pre-open analysis, where we will analyze the Nifty and see where the Nifty actually moves in today's session. So this is the Nifty pre-open analysis for 24th Jan 2024. We'll first look at the supports and resistances for 24th Jan 2024's Nifty, and where are the supports. Supports are 18,075 levels, 18,016 levels, 18,000 levels, and 17,967 levels, and 17,858 levels. Those are the levels of support. What about the resistances? Resistances are at 18,152, 18,202, 18,269 and 18,332 levels are the levels of resistances we are actually looking at in Nifty. As of now, yesterday Nifty actually had a great session. However, there is a doji which is formed in yesterday's session. This doji actually means that there is not much of great hand of bulls or bears. Both of them have the equal hand of suppressing the market, because it went very higher, however it came downer. It went very down in the session as well, however it came higher. So both have the same level of support and resistance, that is bulls and bears. So doji means that we are yet to see if the market is going downer or upper in today's session. So what about today's SGX Nifty showing? Okay, SGX Nifty is 95 points higher, which means that we are seeing that the market, that is Nifty, will have a pre-open gap up opening. Let's look at where the 5 minutes Nifty futures chart actually happens to be. Yesterday I told you the market will be on the higher scale of the Bollinger Band in the 5 minutes chart. So did it happen, and now we are actually hovering in the sideways move in the 5 minute chart, and we have reached the higher band. Now it is possible that we may expand the Bollinger Band higher from here onwards, like it did yesterday, because of US markets. US markets have actually showed a great move in yesterday's session. 47 points higher for S&P 500. Nasdaq was up by 2.18%, that is 253 points. Dow Jones is up by 254 points, and today Nikkei is showing 1.61% higher, that is 433 points higher. So that being said, the Nifty will have a gap up opening in the beginning and then scale up to the resistance, which is the immediate resistance at the median of Bollinger Band, 18,152. Later it may scale up to 18,202 levels or 18,269 levels. That's the Nifty pre-open analysis for you. I will see you in this video, where I have given you a great analysis as to how much my Fibonacci retracement trading strategy is greatly accurate. It is 78.6% accurate. I'll show you how much accurate it is and what is that trading strategy. I'll see you in that video.